Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm trading live on IQ Option, and I'll walk you through every move I make in the market. For this session, I'm using TurboTrend FX as my market analysis tool. It helps me spot the best entries with confidence. So if you'd like to try it yourself, just check the description below for the download. And for more information, everything you need is right there. Now the next step is connecting this bot directly to my broker, IQ Option. As you can see, the IQ Option logo appears right here on the screen. That confirms the connection is successful. After the connection is complete, the next step is simple. Just click Confirm to start receiving signals from the bot. Okay, now everything is set. Let's wait for the first signal from the bot and see exactly how the trade will play out on IQ Option. Alright friends, I've just executed a buy order exactly as the signal was provided by the TurboTrend FX bot. This tool analyzes the market conditions and gives me precise entry points, so I simply follow the signal with confidence. Now, as you can see, the trade is already running on IQ Option. All we have to do is wait and see how the market moves from here. If the analysis is correct, this position should close in profit. So let's stay tuned and watch the result together. Great news, friends! Our very first trade just closed in profit. That shows how powerful the signals from TurboTrend FX can be. And I'm not stopping here. Let's move on to the next trade and see what results we can achieve again. All right, friends, let's take a look at the results. I started this session with only $7 in my balance, and now, after following the signals step by step, my account has grown all the way up to $126. That's a solid increase in just a short amount of time. And to be honest, this is exactly why I prefer not to stay too long in the market. The longer you stay, the bigger the risk, and I'd rather secure my profits than give them back. So for today, I'm going to end my trading session right here. If you enjoyed watching this journey, don't forget to check the description for more information. And stay tuned for the next video where I'll continue testing these strategies live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.